Permanent magnet moving coil instrument. This permanent magnet moving coil meter, which is called PMMC, is the basic principle in most measuring instruments. It is commonly called the D'Arsonval movement because it was first invented by the Frenchman D'Arsonval in making electrical measurement instruments. As its name indicates, the instrument consists of a permanent magnet and a rectangular coil of many turns wound on a light aluminum or copper former, inside which is an iron core. The construction of PMMC instrument is a frequently asked question in your exam papers. The powerful U-shaped magnet is made up of alnico and has soft iron end pole pieces which are bored out cylindrically. A soft iron cylinder is fixed between the magnetic poles whose function is first, to make the field radial and uniform, second, to decrease the reluctance of the air path between the poles and hence increase the magnetic flux. The next picture shows that surrounding the core is a rectangular coil of many turns wound on a light aluminum frame which is supported by delicate bearings and to which is attached a light pointer. The aluminum frame not only provides support for the coil but also provides damping by eddy currents induced in it.
The advantage of using Kelvin double bridge over Wheatstone bridge are: Kelvin's bridge is more suitable than Wheatstone bridge for low resistance measurement because in Wheatstone bridge the resistance of leads and contacts becomes significant. It will produce error in the instrument. But in Kelvin bridge, the effect of resistance produced by the contact leads is avoided because of an extra arm of resistor you see in the configuration. In Wheatstone bridge, when a large amount of current is allowed to pass through the bridge arms, then heating effect takes place. This may create permanent change in the resistance value. But in Kelvin bridge, the value of unknown resistance as low as 0.00001 ohms can be measured. Therefore, accuracy of measurement is high. There are three major types of stepper motors. First, variable reluctance stepper motor. Second, permanent magnet stepper motor. Third, hybrid stepper motor. The two most important parts of the motor are the stator and rotor. These motors differ by the difference in their rotor construction. The variable reluctance type of motor has a rotor with tips on it. The permanent magnet type of stepper motor has a rotor made of a magnet, and the hybrid type has a rotor with the tip as in variable reluctance motor and additionally contains an axially magnetized concentric magnet around its shaft. Thus, hybrid stepper motor combines the best feature of both the variable reluctance and the permanent magnet type of motor. We will start with the bridges used for measuring inductance. Maxwell's bridge. This bridge is used for measuring the inductance. There are two ways in which one can use Maxwell's bridge so as to find the value of unknown inductance. Thus, we will study two types of the Maxwell's bridge. One is the Maxwell's inductance bridge and the other configuration is the Maxwell-Wien bridge, or it can be called as Maxwell's LC bridge.
Maxwell's inductance bridge. This bridge circuit is used for medium inductances and can be arranged to yield results of considerable precision. As you see the circuit on the slide, there are two pure resistances in two of the arms, so that for balance relations, the phase balance depends on the remaining two arms. Maxwell's LC bridge. From the circuit for this bridge, the positive angle of inductive impedance will be compensated by negative phase angle of a capacitive impedance put in the opposite arm. The unknown inductance